2025 was a year of focused execution at Sparkflows. Every product update had one clear goal: helping teams move faster from data to action using AI. Over the past year, Sparkflows evolved into a platform where analytics, AI, and business execution come together seamlessly. From Copilot-driven project creation to agentic workflows, automated migration, and industry-ready solutions, Sparkflows made AI not just something you analyze with, but something that actually acts. Here's a look at what became possible in 2025. Copilot fundamentally changed how teams build projects on Sparkflows. Instead of manually stitching together datasets, workflows, reports, agents, and apps, users can now describe what they want in natural language. Copilot generates the entire project automatically. With support for MCP servers, Copilot can also create fully configured workflow and pipeline nodes directly from prompts. In 2025, Sparkflows introduced true agentic workflows. Teams can now design multi-step workflows that combine AI, data processing, and automation on a single visual canvas. Workflows can be built using drag and drop or code and deployed securely on-prem or in the cloud. To accelerate adoption, Sparkflows released ready-to-use workflow automation templates, making it easier to get started quickly from development to production. Sparkflows also expanded its AI agent ecosystem with more than 10 new agents focused on sales and marketing. Here are just a few examples of some of the sales and marketing AI agents we have. They help reduce manual effort and help teams move faster across customer-facing operations. Sparkflows brought together AI agents, agentic apps, dashboards, and chatbots into a unified experience built for business users. Across functions like supply chain, finance, and marketing, teams can analyze data and take action without switching tools. The experience feels intuitive, responsive, and purpose-built for decision-making. Sparkflows also enhanced feature engineering with new nodes designed for richer, time-aware datasets. Group by generates aggregated features like frequency and recency. Time series adds temporal context such as time since last event. Moving average smooths trends across activity and amounts. Together, these improvements simplified data preparation while improving model accuracy. One of the biggest productivity wins in 2025 was automated Alteryx migration. Thousands of Alteryx recipes can now be converted into Sparkflows workflows in minutes, with logic and transformations preserved. Teams can run these workflows across cloud, on-prem, or hybrid environments, fully governed from day one. This is an example of a fully converted Alteryx workflow into Sparkflows. The workflow replicates the original Alteryx logic by converting input, filtering, aggregation, join, and formula steps into equivalent Sparkflows nodes. Data quality moved closer to full automation. AI-recommended data quality rules now run continuously in back-end workflows, with results tracked in dashboards. When thresholds are breached, alerts and remediation workflows trigger automatically, helping teams maintain trust in their data at scale. Sparkflows expanded its library of agentic apps to deliver focused business outcomes without custom development. These apps support use cases like sales forecasting, fraud detections, KPI reporting, and many more. At the same time, Sparkflows strengthened its industry-ready vertical solutions across retail, BFSI, and NBFCS, healthcare, telecom, and many more. In 2025, Sparkflows advanced data engineering with direct pushdown execution in Snowflake. Workflows can now execute directly inside Snowflake, minimizing data movement, eliminating the need for a Spark cluster, and relying on Snowflake's native execution and monitoring for better performance and governance. Sparkflows also added built-in support for Apache Airflow operators for Databricks. pipelines can automatically generate Airflow DAGs, execute Databricks jobs, and track execution end-to-end, simplifying orchestration and monitoring. With Copilot, AI agents, agentic workflows, automated migration, governance-first design, and industry-ready solutions, Sparkflows continues to simplify how organizations build, scale, and operationalize analytics and AI. And this is all just the beginning. Visit us at sparkflows.io to learn more and get started today.